tracking your orders in Pandabuy is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can track your orders in Pandabuy. So for that, you have to be in your browser and you have to type in Pandabuy. So I'm going to go to this website, which is pandabuy.com. It will take me to their homepage. Now here, you have to make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not logged into your account, you won't be able to track your order. You need to log into your account first. Now, after logging in, you just have to click on your profile. It is showing my picture. In your case, it may show you an avatar for a person, or it may show the initials of your letter. Now here you just have to go to your order, and under this section you have to go to your order, and there you guys can see this is the order which have not been placed yet. But in your case, you want to track your order. That means you probably have placed your order. Now, in this order section, I do not have any, my order is not placed, so which means I cannot track it just because my order have not even been shipped. So how can I track it? So in your case, if your order is being placed, you will be able to see an option for track order as well. You just have to click on that. It will take you to a new page where you can easily see the location or track the location of your order. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can track your order in Pandabuy. Hope you guys find this very helpful.